This Century 21 The Real Estate Center property video is presented by MacKenzie Hoffer. Best views in Baltimore. Amazing opportunity to own this updated condo in the greatest building in Locust Point. New kitchen backsplash installed, hardwood flooring throughout, and 2 parking spaces included in FOB-secured garage. Private balcony with stunning views of Inner Harbor. Silo Point uses the Package Concierge automatic package delivery system. Residents get text notifications when packages arrive and can pick up at their leisure from secure container. Trash chute and recycling drop-off conveniently located on same floor as unit. Resident access to private 19th floor sky lounge, featuring wraparound views of the Inner Harbor. 24-hour knowledgeable and friendly front desk staff. Key fob security access keeps facility and garage secure. Active community events coordinator organizes weekly and monthly events. Access to 24-hour, fully equipped gym. Our restrictions currently in place due to